Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In your math, you have done addition and subtraction. You have done both type of questions. We have finished addition also, and we will have finished subtraction also. Now this is a new topic for you: combined addition and subtraction. Means in the same question we will do addition also and subtraction also. So to solve these sums, there are two rules that you have to remember. Rule number 1 is when both addition and subtraction are given, then you first add and then subtract. Rule number 2 is if the numbers are enclosed in a bracket, then solve the bracket first. This will be very clear to you when I will solve the examples. Look at the first example. 3215 plus 5016 minus 2189. So we have done the two rules. First add, then subtract. So what we will do? We will first add. We will add 3215 and 5016. When we will add these, what will be the answer? 6 plus 5, 11, 1, carry over 1, this one plus this one plus this one, 1, 2 and 3, 2 plus 0, 2 and 5 plus 3, 8. So when we will add 3215 and 5016, we will get 8231. Then what will be the second step? Now from this 8231, we will subtract 2189. So here we are going to subtract 8231 minus 2189. This one is smaller than 9, so 1 will borrow from 3 and this 1 will become 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Now this 3 has become 2. 2 is smaller than 8, so 2 will borrow from the adjacent number and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. This 2 has become 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. So the final answer is 6042. Now look at the second example where the numbers are enclosed in a bracket. The question is 1813 plus 1811 in a bracket and then minus 568. So what is the rule? When the bracket is given, we will solve inside the bracket first. What is given inside the bracket? 1813 plus 1811. We will add these two numbers. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. 8 plus 8, 16. So we will write 6 and 1 will be carry over. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 1, 2, 3. Then what is the second step? We will subtract 568 from 3624. When we subtracted 568 from 3624, what do we got? This 4 is smaller than 8, so this 4 will borrow from 2 and become 14. Then 14 minus 8 is 6. This 2 has become 1, it will borrow and it become 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. This 6 has become 5 and 5 minus 5 is 0. And this 3 minus nothing is 3. So answer will be 3056. We will do one more example. Next question is 7100 minus 1100 in a bracket and then add 300. So first rule is first add then subtract, but here we will apply the second rule. When that bracket is given, solve the bracket first. So we will subtract 1100 from 7100, and when we subtracted 1100 from 7100, what do we got? 0 0 1 1 0. 7 minus 1 6. We got 6000. Then 6000 will be added to this 300, and 6000 plus 300 is 6300. So our answer is 6300. So I hope you must have understood it very well. In this we have to just remember the two rules. First rule is first add then subtract, and second rule is If a bracket is given, if the numbers are enclosed in a bracket, you have to solve the bracket first. Okay.